Brian DiMambro. We're looking now at a late 19th century lithographed, color lithographed map by George Walker and Company, a major printing and publishing firm in Massachusetts through the latter part of the 19th century. This large folding map was printed on a bond paper, which is still quite sturdy and well preserved. The map is noteworthy for the level of detail. The key below the title shows the elevations of lakes above sea level and also a list of towns and hotels. But the map itself as well identifies specific well-known grand hotels like the Profile House here. There are other ones, if you look closely, you can see them. Here's the Mount Pleasant House, and so on. There are many more. It shows railroad lines. It also shows early grants and purchases up in the White Mountains resort region, which is still very much visited today. And the map extends south all the way down to Lake Winnipesaukee, Wolfboro, and Squam Lake. The map is well preserved. There is just one very minor small intersection fold line repair that's essentially invisible. When viewing the map, it folds up nicely, like so, back into the original pictorial cover, which we will see right here. And this charming 1893 folding map is currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.